Hišani, navadna hiša, res ni hiša kar tako. To hiša je eksperimentov, v njej vedoželjnim je lepo.
A few years ago, working as a science nomad, I got to travel from Australia to work with the wonderful people at Hiše eksperimentov. And while I was there, we explored magnets, electricity, and wires, and how you could combine all of these things to make wonderful machinery like speakers, motors and generators. All use the same basic ingredients. Some copper wire, a conductor, a magnet, here's my compass, just a magnet with some nails poking out of it, and some electricity. And so we can put our compass here and we can see which way it's pointing. If I run an electric current through the coil, we'll make a magnetic field and we'll see the compass move. It's now pointing in the direction of the new magnetic field. If we reverse the current, we reverse the magnetic field, and now the other pole is pointing in that direction. So with these simple electronics, we can control a current into this first coil, turning it on and off, on and off. And as we bring the second coil near there, we can see from the LED we're getting some electricity flowing in the second coil. It's being induced. We can actually tell that this is happening if we listen with the solar cell connected to a speaker. So let's see if we can put all of this together, controlling the frequency at which we switch the coil, and see what we can hear from our system.
Hišani, navadna hiša, res ni hiša kar tako. To hiša je eksperimentov, v njej vedoželjnim je lepo.